The AI race has reached a fever pitch. In a stunning upset, Alibaba's newly unveiled AI model has outperformed the previously dominant Deepseek. This seismic shift in the AI landscape has sent shockwaves through the tech industry. Let's delve deeper into this groundbreaking development and explore its implications. Part 1. The AI arms race escalates. The competition to develop the most advanced AI has been intensifying for years, with tech giants like Google, Meta, and OpenAI investing billions into research. Alibaba's latest achievement underscores the fierce rivalry among these companies and highlights the rapid pace of innovation in the field. Part 2. DeepSeek's reign comes to an end. DeepSeek has long been considered a pioneer in the realm of AI language models. Its ability to generate human-quality text has made it a popular choice for researchers and developers alike. However, Alibaba's new model has surpassed DeepSeek in several key metrics, including its ability to understand context, generate more diverse text formats, and handle complex queries. Part 3. Alibaba's breakthrough, a closer look. So, what sets Alibaba's new AI apart? While the specific details of the model's architecture remain undisclosed, industry experts speculate that a combination of factors has contributed to its success. These include a massive dataset, advanced algorithms, and significant computational resources. Additionally, Alibaba's deep expertise in e-commerce and cloud computing may have provided a unique advantage. Part 4. The implications for industry. The implications of Alibaba's breakthrough are far-reaching. For one, it could accelerate the adoption of AI in various industries, from customer service to healthcare. Companies will be eager to leverage the power of AI to improve efficiency, enhance products, and gain a competitive edge. Part 5. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more powerful, so too do the ethical concerns surrounding its development and use. Issues such as bias, privacy, and the potential for misuse of AI must be addressed. With the increasing capabilities of AI models, it becomes even more important to establish clear guidelines and regulations. Part 6. The future of work. AI has the potential to disrupt the job market, as automation takes over many tasks currently performed by humans. While this may lead to job losses in some sectors, it could also create new opportunities in fields such as AI development, data science, and machine learning. Part 7. The global AI race. The competition between tech giants is not limited to the US and China. Countries like the UK, Canada, and Israel are also making significant contributions to the field of AI. This global race for AI supremacy is likely to intensify in the coming years, driving further innovation and development. Part 8. The role of open source. Open source AI models have played a crucial role in democratizing access to AI technology. By making their models available to the public, companies like OpenAI and Hugging Face have fostered a vibrant ecosystem of AI development. However, the rise of proprietary models like Alibaba's could challenge the dominance of open source AI. Conclusion. Alibaba's latest AI achievement marks a significant milestone in the history of artificial intelligence. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more impressive breakthroughs and applications. It is essential to approach the development and deployment of AI with a sense of responsibility and to ensure that it benefits society as a whole.